Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Riyanj. In this video, we are going to make a bus using shapes. Look at this red bus. You can see there is one big rectangle, and the small rectangle. The wheels are in circle shapes. One circle, two circle, now square. Which shape is this? Square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. And which shape is this? Triangle. So to make this, we need colorful craft paper. Whichever color you like, you take it. And a scissor to cut the paper. We need glue to paste the paper together. So, this is so easy. Let's get started. So, I have already cut the circles, two circles, one in black and one in blue. See, one big rectangle in yellow color, one small rectangle in blue color, 4 squares and 2 triangles. So, let's make the bus. For that, first let us stick the circles to make the wheel. You can take your parents' help to cut the paper. See, this is how we can paste the wheels. Black color wheel in between, blue color circle. We need 4 circles, 2 black big circles, 2 blue small circles. See, we have made one wheel out of 2 circles. Now this is the time to make the second circle. See, we got 2 wheels. Can you see how beautiful they are? Now let us make the body of the bus. So for that, I have taken one big yellow color rectangle paper. I have cut the paper in rectangle shape. First, let us paste the wheels. One wheel and the second wheel. For that, we need glue. First, apply the glue to the paper, then paste the wheel to it. Riyansh is helping me to make this. Wow, look at this. We have pasted one wheel. Now it's the time to paste the second wheel. Mark the place where you want to place the wheel, then paste it with the glue. One wheel and the second wheel. Now let's make the door. For that, I am taking a small rectangle in blue color. Let me mark the door and paste it. Now, our bus is getting in shape. Now, let's make the windows of the bus. First, we'll paste the driver seat window. Driver seat window at the front, which is in square shape. Now we'll make the passenger windows. One window, second window and the third window. This is the passenger window. Now let us make the second passenger window using another square. Now it's time to make us the third passenger window. And our bus is ready to go. Now we'll make the lights using the triangle. This is triangle. We'll paste one triangle at the front and another at the back. How beautiful and simple it is, isn't it? It's very easy to make. Using all kind of shapes, we made a bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Look at this beautiful yellow and blue color bus. This is so easy to make. And it's fun to make. Isn't it? Look at the blue bus and the yellow bus. We have got two buses. Whichever color you like, you can make that color bus using all the shapes. It's fun-filled activity. One rectangle, one square, second square, third square, fourth square, and one circle, another circle, and two triangles, and one big rectangle. This is so easy. Children, using the shapes, we have made the bus. How cool, isn't it? You also make such beautiful buses using the shapes. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Learn with Riyansh. Until then, you know the drill. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye and take care.